What's up, everybody? Welcome back once again. Jeff and I are here with you to present our brand new jack pads. Now, by the time you guys are seeing this video, they have actually been out for a little while, so I apologize. We are late to the party, but better late than never, right?
Yep.
So these are the Perrin jack pads. These are going to go up underneath your car on the pinch weld. Let me grab one with some grub screws here. They are actually going to go right up in between the pinch weld and be secured with these beefy old, what are these, M6?
M8 bolts.
M8, ooh, even bigger than I thought. That's great. M8 bolts, and then they will be secured down with Loctite. You want to put that good old blue Loctite on there. Keeps them from backing out on you while you're driving down the road. One thing, I know you're aware of this. I just want to get this out of the way first. But you're aware of it. So, like I said, these have been out for a couple weeks now. A lot of people seem to think they're made out of rubber.
I don't think they are.
That's the hardest flipping rubber I've ever heard.
It could be rubber still. I think it better test like metal on metal.
Okay,
See,
yeah.
That's metal.
It did bounce a little bit, though. Are you sure it's not rubber? You want to check again?
Nah, they don't believe us.
All right. Well,
they don't want them.
If you want to believe us that it's not rubber, then good for you. If you still think it's rubber, go back and watch that clip a couple more times and see if we can change your mind. Jeff, you want to tell us what they're actually made out of, since we're pretty sure it's not rubber?
Yeah. They're 6061 aluminum, just something we machine in-house. They're not rubber. While there are products like this that are made of rubber, those are temporary ones. These are permanent mounted mounts. So they're meant to bolt to the pinch weld and be there forever on your car. So a little bit different than other ones that are out there. Yeah, that's it.
Nice. Yeah, so essentially just a good way to protect your pinch welds from folding over or rolling, which can happen over time with floor jacks, jack stands. Speaking of which, we specifically designed it, I see, to fit this style of jack stand. Did we not?
Yes. Not only is it the diameter that fits most of the pucks for the jacks, it fits within those and doesn't hit the metal pieces on it. It fits these kind of generic aluminum jack stands you can find on Amazon. They're really cheap. Yeah, they just cradle it, so it's a more secure method, I think, than the actual pinch weld. So yeah, and we know most people don't have these, and they definitely work with the standard old, run-of-the-mill jack that everybody has.
Oh, great!
And it still centers in those, and even the really big ones with the wider mouth, they're even more cradled in there.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Well, and I mean, once again, it's gonna fit in either jack stand, and the biggest thing, it's just protecting your pinch welds. But I don't know, maybe to me the biggest thing is it's just giving you more surface area for the jack to actually
way
sit
easier
on.
to get your jack on the car and just start jacking up the car. You don't have to worry about hitting that pinch weld perfectly or folding it over. Yeah, a lot easier to use.
Fantastic. Now, I know we didn't want to leave out those on the road who might need to change out a flat with their spare. So do you want to touch on that a little bit?
Yeah, so the OEM Jack Tool comes with it. It's meant to fit into the OEM jack that's part of your emergency kit in the car, and it creates a secure way for the mount to not slide out of there as you're jacking up the car.
Great.
If you don't have something like that, then it could be dangerous, especially if you're on a hill on the side of the road. You don't want to have the car slide off your jack. But anyways, comes with that as well.
Yeah. So, like you just said, this with the OEM Jack Tool, very secure. Jack pad goes right inside of it. And again, a little bit of wiggle room, but it's not sliding out either way. All right, so that pretty much discloses and wraps up everything about our billet aluminum jack pads. I think one last thing I'd like to touch on is, yes, we are Perrin. Yes, we manufacture parts for Subarus and those alike. However, we have tested this on quite a few different manufacturers. I, for one, drive a 2008 Miata. Fits perfectly fine up underneath my car. And I feel like we've tested it on a few Audis, a couple Toyotas. So the best thing is to look underneath your car. If you've got straight vertical pinch welds, it's almost 100% guaranteed that they're going to fit. I know there's a few instances where we've had some funky kind of shaped pinch welds on some of the
And they still fit.
cars.
GR Kroll is one that still fits. It's got the flipped over pinch weld. It still works.
Oh, but this is wide enough to let
Yep.
it go up underneath there. Okay, cool.
And we'll just update the website as we find more fitments. So check the website. We also have in there a couple dimensions that you can use to check for non-WRXs and Subarus. So.
Cool. Also, I'd say if you're interested in them and you plan on putting these on your car that is not a Subaru, if it happens to fit, let us know. Because, like Jeff said, we'd love to expand the fitment chart as best as we can. And really, the easiest way to do that is for you guys to let us know. So that would be much appreciated if you could do that. So, without further ado, if you guys got any questions or if you just want to say what's up, leave a comment down below. And if you guys liked the video, y'all know what to do.